In this video, we'll again see one more example of finding HCF and LCM using fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Alright. For HCF, we'll first write the common factors and raise them to the least power. In LCM, we write all the prime factors and we raise them to highest power. Correct? So let's see this one. 336 and 54. Let's prime factorize 336 first. So when we prime factorize 336, we'll get 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, and 2 8s are 2 84s are 2 42s are 2 21s are 3 7s are and 7 1s are. So 336 can now be written as 1 2 3 4, 2 power 4 into 3 power 1 into 7 power 1. So that is 336. Let's try 54. So 54, 2 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are and 3 1s are. So 54 can be written as 2 into 3 cube. So to find HCF, so first let's find HCF. To find HCF, what we'll do, we'll first find the common prime factors between them. Common prime factors I have are 2 and 3. So we'll write 2 into 3 and we'll raise them to the least power among them. So here it is 2 power 4, here it is 2 power 1. So we'll take the least power, which is 1. So let's take 3. So here it is 3 cube and it is 3 power 1. So the least power is 3 power 1, so it will be 3 power 1. 7 is not the common factor, so that will not come in HCF. So 3 2s are 6. 6 is the HCF of 336 and 54. So let's find LCM. So to find LCM, we write all the factors between those two. So all the factors are 2, 3 and 7. 2 into 3 into 7. Now we need to raise them by highest factor. So highest power. So highest power here is 4 and 3. Highest power here is 1 and here it is 3. So it will be 3 power 3 and 7. There is no here. So there is only 1 7. So which is 7 power 1. So the answer would be 2 power 4 into 3 power 3 into 7 power 1. Okay, so that would be the LCM of these two numbers. Similarly, let's do 3 numbers now. Same thing will follow. So we'll prime factorize 40. So when we prime factorize 40, we get 2 20s are, 2 10s are, 2 5s are, 5 1s are. So 40 can be written as 2 cube into 5. Similarly, let's try 36. 36 can be written as 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are and 3 1s are. So 36 can be written as 2 square into 3 square. Correct? So let's try 126. So 126 divided by 2. So 2 6 are 12 and 2 3s are 6. 3 21s are, 3 7s are 21. 7 and 1. So the prime factors of 126 are 2 power 1 into 3 square into 7 power 1. Alright, now let's find HCF. So what will be the HCF here? So HCF would be, write the common factors among all the 3. So common factors among all the 3, we have 2 in all the 3, but 3 is not present, nor 5 nor 7. So only 2 is present, so we'll write 2. And we raise it to the highest power. So it is 2 power 3 here, 2 power 2 here, it is 2 power 1 here. So the highest power here is 1, so we'll write it as 2 power 1. So the HCF is 2. Okay, so let's try LCM. In order to write LCM, we write all the prime factors that are present. So we have 2, 5, 3 and 7. So those are the prime factors we have, 2, 3, 5 and 7. And we raise them to the highest power that are present. So here it is 2 power 3, 2 power 2, 2 power 1. So highest power is 3, so we write 3. So 3 is raised, highest is, here it is 2, here also it is 2, so it is 3 square. 5, there is only one 5, which is 5 raised to 1, so this will be 5 raised to 1 and this will be 7 raised to 1. So it would be 2 cube is 8 into 9 into 5 into 7. This will be equal to 2520. I hope you understood how to find HCF and LCM using fundamental theorem of arithmetic.